we can make designs, animations, game, and I like to do designs. Coding आमकां आमच्या नजीमा टिचरीन शिकयलें. तितून आमी गेम करूं शकता, डिजायनी करूं शकता आनी आमी एनिमेशन्स करूं शकता. तर हांवें डिजायनी केल्लेली तितून आनी
तुका डिजायन करपाक आवडटा? कोडिंग, यू थिंक कोडिंग इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू? आता तुका कोडिंग लायक जाता काय तुका घरान शिकतना डिफिकल्टी फेस जाता तुमकां कोडिंग शिकतना?
म्हाका कोडिंग आवडटा. तेका टायम लागता मात करता.
I'm from 6. I like coding because it is very interesting and it is hard work, imagination and very creativity. Coding is a platform where I can show my creative. And I like coding and I have done many projects in coding, and I thank my teacher Nazima for teaching me a lot in coding. Teacher Nazima made me coding feel easy, and because of teacher Nazima only I can code these projects.
This coding concept has been introduced for the students of standard 6 to the 8th standard, and this is a wonderful work that has been done by the government and the education department. Our students are really excelling, and I tell you there is lots of talent in our state, and if such initiative is taken, our students can go at great height.
It is something very interesting where students learn coding. They can create a lot of creativity. Now children nowadays are very intelligent and very talented. This CM Cares Coding and Robotics has given the platform for the students to come out with their creativity, and the students have come today here to showcase their talent so that other children also get motivated. That is the main purpose of it. And this coding has been given for the first time in Goa. No other schools or no other states have implemented this. So under the CM Cares Coding and Robotics, it is implemented first time in the syllabus in this academic year, and the students have really done a marvelous job. 74 entries were been sent by me for the Lantern competition, and the state level prize, the third place we got for Hirkani Jade from 6th standard. And there is one more competition which is coming back in the month of November, that is a COVID care message, and third one is in the month of December. So my students are really trying hard to achieve it.